Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get your Robinhood CSV statement? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get your Robinhood CSV statement anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your accountant or CPA is going to request you send over your Robinhood transactions in a CSV format. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get a CSV version of your statement, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on tax. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top, and you want to click on report and statement. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your reports right here. You can download as a CSV. These are yearly reports. So if you want to customize this into a certain time frame, off to the right here, you can go ahead and choose your account. Once you've chosen the account, go ahead and choose the start date. So for example, we'll choose, let's say September 1st, 2024, and then we'll go all the way to the end of September, let's say September 30th, 2024. That covers a full month of September. And then you just click on generate report. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your Robinhood statement in a CSV format, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.